What's up, guys? So it's January 4th, 2019. It's the start of a new year, and I think I've started off pretty strong. So right here is a picture from a photo shoot I just did for someone who has a Mazda 6. I'm going to put those pictures on Instagram, and it should be down in the bio, or in the description rather. You can give me a follow. And I'm also doing a print for him. So that's actually something I just started offering recently. Doing large poster prints. And I literally just started offering them like 2 days ago, and I'm printing this one already, and I got 4 more orders coming up, so that's pretty good. Hoping that's gonna go strong. Other than that, though, as you can see here, I got a new toy to play with. Yeah, don't worry about this. I gotta glue this case back together, all the foam and stuff. But yeah, check this out. The Mavic Air, new drone. If it'll focus. There we go. So this I'm planning on getting a lot of use out of. I've already had people hitting me up for some drone shots and stuff of their car, but I just haven't really scheduled anything yet. And also a couple people still have their stock wheels back on just for the winter, so once they get those back on, I have shoots lined up whenever the weather gets nice. Hopefully it's not a long winter like last year, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to this year. This year I'm really planning on having some major growth. Last year, actually a year ago, almost exactly a year ago, is when I actually started Ethanol Feed. So Ethanol Feed didn't exist before a year ago, and what am I at, like 520 followers as of like this morning on Instagram, and like 100 subscribers. So that's decent growth, but this year I think I could do better. So that's my goal. I'm gonna be doing a lot more shoots, a lot more work. I'm gonna be going out to a lot more meets, and just times 10 effort all around. So that's kind of me going into this year. Little quick update, and I will see you guys later.